2 plus 10 equals 12, and the expression becomes 12 divided by 2 times 6 minus 1, 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and 6 minus 1 equals 5, and the product of 6 and 5 equals 30. However, this answer is completely wrong because we did not follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Please subscribe to the channel before solving the question so you don't miss future videos. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first solve the expression inside the parentheses. 6 minus 1 equals 5, and the expression becomes 2 plus 10 divided by 2 times 5. Since we have addition, division, and multiplication, multiplication and division have priority, and we solve them from left to right. 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and 5 times 5 equals 25. Therefore, 2 plus 25 equals 27. Please write the answer to this question in the comments. I'll post the solution to this question in the next video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming interesting videos.